live, but okay, there we go. Now we're actually alive.
Oh,
live.
so everybody missed that thrilling intro.
Yes. Okay, so 8:30 passed already, but that was PPI news. Other than that, nothing else going on the news list today.
Okay, well, we got YM has bounced about 100 points pre-market.
Very good. MNQ's London session pulled back, found support in the 4-hour fair value gaps that I had yesterday. This one has been inverted though. I'm going to get rid of this guy. And we got about 30 seconds here till the bell. All right, 6 seconds here.
Oh, looks like we're off to the races with YM. It'd be bouncing.
Starting to make a move there, right back to a pre-market high on YM. Big wick there at the top of the sort of the pre-market high.
Book map is showing orders under and above at about equal distances. How much you want to bet that's one institution with two algos?
Yeah, hey. It's like, let's do both. Johan, good morning. Don't see Johan that often. Trump nominates Kevin Warsh for Federal Reserve Chair to succeed Jerome Powell. Thanks for that update there, Luke.
Yeah. Another bootlicker in a position of power.
Oh, that doesn't sound good.
Well, today is going to be a short day for me. 6 contracts in on YM long with an average price of 49,040. And I'm about to close this out and possibly call it a day.
Yeah, no doubt.
We're going higher.
Good move. Already hit my 2 max daily win on my 2 accounts. Nice, Johan.
I'll take that. I trailed
What did you
that
make
stop loss. What's that?
How much did you make there?
$581 per account.
Very nice.
And today I am trading 59 accounts.
Wow. Savage.
So I got that new command pad installed on my computer.
A command pad.
Oh, you didn't watch the... Of course you didn't. You were streaming while I was on.
Yeah, I did see them talking about something there.
Yeah, they sent me over a beta version. I had to do the developer mode stuff for Google Chrome to actually run it, which I didn't even know was a thing because I'm kind of a dumbass. But I had it all working this morning. I took two little trades, copied to 59 accounts, made like $10 per account, closed it out, just did it basically as a test. And then, but I don't know what I did. So right now, it's not even picking up price.
Oh, weird.
So that's a little irritating.
Eva Silver? Johan making trades on silver.
Ooh. A little bit, silver's a little bit much for me today.
Yeah, is it? I didn't take a look at the metals yet. How are they looking?
Well, I mean, it's the last day of the month. Got April contracts right now on it. Or I'm sorry, no, that's gold. Yeah, there's a pretty big drop from
And then politics former CNN anchor Don Lemon arrested by feds over Minnesota activities. Huh. That's interesting news there, Luke. Where do you get all your news from? Nice, Johan. Thank you. Appreciate that. Johan's just keeping us company.
Right now I'm just took my one trade. It was a winner. Now I'm just fooling around with my Trader Expo stuff.
Oh, nice. Yeah. Oh, yeah, usually they have a giveaway on Friday in Top on Futures. I'm gonna try to find this.
I do believe that Clay is on a prop firm match with Zach today.
You are correct. All right, I'm gonna grab a coffee real quick. Sorry, 1 sec.
Go for it. It looks like YM's trying to erase all that gain that it made right off the open. Got orders at 49,045.
Today's officially moving day for me.
Well, congratulations.
Yeah.
I think.
Yeah.
I don't know what your
I mean, it is what it is. But
the gold's pullback in the overnight was a little bit on the ridiculous side too.
oh wow. Were you in that YM from before the open?
Yes.
Oh, nice. Yeah, that makes sense.
Oh yeah, there's no way I would have made $500 on that trade right off the open, not on 3 micros.
Mm-hmm. 3 micros. That's a very nice trade.
It was a long trade.
Yeah.
I am getting a little bit better with my patience when I think something's going to play out. So, you know. I like that about me.
Yeah, you've been getting definitely more consistent in holding like that for sure.
Last week I took like 2 or 3 hour plus trades with you.
Yeah.
So YM touched the open price with that wick. We're in the middle of a fair value gap on the 3-minute and starting to pull back up.
I tried to get long there, but my order got left, unfortunately. MNQ bounced up here. Something else. I never set my midnight open price. There, yes.
Yeah, we're right in the middle of the opening range, so
yeah, not really the best place.
No. This is going to be testing my patience.
Yeah, I tried to get in long at around 46, and then it literally, as I hit the buy button, it just bounced away from my price. I was like, okay. And now it's pulling back down, so would have probably got stopped out a small winner there. So.
Yeah, I'm not looking to make any more small winners. It's it sounds kind of like an asshole thing to say, but I had one really good trade from the pre-market. I'm not putting a couple $100 of risk on a trade. Make 25 per account. That would just be stupid.
Yeah, no doubt. Especially when you're up Dallas. This kind of looks like it's going to go lower at this volume a little bit. Below the New York, below the point of control. We are holding on this fair value gap, but
just erase the fair value gap on the 5 minute. You are talking about YM, right?
yes. On Bookmap, do you watch the numbers or the bubbles?
I watch the numbers.
Yeah. The way we have it set actually is we don't get very many bubbles unless they're larger order. So did you end up getting Bookmap, Johan? Oh, there we go. NQ's pulling back into. Oh, this is MES. No, just trying to understand it. Gotcha. Yeah, it's you got the cumulative volume delta down on the bottom right, and then we set it so that it has to be at least, depending on which contract, 40 or 50 contracts in a single trade, and then it'll start printing these balls. So it kind of gives you a little bit better idea as to who's doing what.
If you're doing it with YM micros on a lower volume day, you can switch it over to 20 and it works pretty well. ES is generally set at 50 and NQ is set at 40 or 45.
Yeah.
Like right now, I think I have my my YM micros set at 15. So it's not producing too many balls.
So that trading pad thing, is that that's just it, like we'll use all your accounts and you just hit buy and sell and that's it?
Yep.
And can you set stops with it, or how does that work?
Yes, you can set a stop, you can set a trailing stop. It's all right there on the little command pad. I had it all set up and running in the wee hours of the morning, but right now I'm having a couple of issues with it. We'll get on a call or get an email over to Mike to. What's that?
It's still sort of a beta.
Yeah.
Like a new program, so might have some glitches that need to work out.
Yep. But like I said, testing it this morning, it was working great. Yeah, it's I have a low down dirty feeling that this is going to be a game changer for me.
Yeah, I mean, I would like to use that thing too, because I just don't really like the whole moving around the the alerts.
Yeah, neither do I. That was the biggest bitch that I had about the traders post, but that's going to be taken care of here very shortly. I didn't mind it for limit orders when I was placing an order going into like an order going up in trend over VWAP. I'd set a limit order above where the current price was and a stop loss and a take profit.
Yeah.
Once it got hit, I just keep moving my stop loss up until it was profitable and then let it go.
Oh, gotcha. Yeah.
So I stopped using the take profit and started just flattening flattening everything when I realized that you can again, I'm kind of a dumbass when it comes to technology, but I realized that you can set a stop loss and a take profit in every single account that you're trading to automatically go through.
Nice. Yeah.
So it is a delta price offset for your stop loss and your take profit. So say you want a trailing stop loss of 20 points on YM, you just set it to trailing stop loss and then 20 points. And in each account, it'll manage it just automatically manages how your trades are, or how your risk is managed on your trades in those specific accounts.
Nice.
Which I love. That is wonderful. But with having a command pad to where I can quickly enter and exit a trade based on, cumulative volume delta, the orders coming on the book map, and, VWAP bounces and breaks.
Mm-hmm.
It's going to change quite a bit for me with my trading.
Yeah, no doubt.
You got orders coming on YM up above again at 49.70. Oh, and then half of them just disappeared.
So is that something you got to pay for, that pad thing, or is it included?
I don't think so. I think this is going to be included with your membership. So, like I said, this is I'm just beta testing this right now.
Nice.
But the emails that I've been going back and forth with Mike about, it's he's making improvements to it pretty much daily, getting all the kinks worked out of it. So once it's perfect, intuitive, and ready to go, you just add it to your you add it to your tab, open up your Tradeovate or Trading View. Actually, it has to be Tradeovate. It can't be Trading View. So you open up Tradeovate, it pulls the current price. If you're doing market orders, pulls the current price, brings it over to your command pad, and then you can buy, sell, or flatten all.
Oh, nice.
And in the top of the command pad, it's got a take profit. Say you want a 20-point profit, you type in 20. Great. And then it has your stop, your stop loss, and your trailing stop that you can set. You can set it to cancel your open orders before submitting new orders. So say you're in a long, you want to take an order on a short. Once it hits a certain level, you just set it to cancel your order, so that way you're not selling an order and then and using the sell order to cancel the long.
Okay. So I'm in a long YM here with 2 micros, bouncing up pretty good. Let's see if we can take this fair value under control.
Take it off that bounce of the fair value gap down at 985.
Yeah, I waited a little bit longer for more of a reaction, but hopefully it doesn't pull back and stop me out right here. But I got my stop at 5 points in profit right now.
All right, we got orders for you up at 49.85. We got some down at 49,000. There's a big block of orders down at 49,000.
Looks like it's trying to stop me out right now. Yeah, so close.
That's imagine
$10. Yeah.
$10 is $10. You copy trading that on your TPTs?
Yeah. Johan said, how do we join, Nick? So traders, just head over to Traders Post website, and then you buy a subscription there. Then you can connect your accounts, and you can use code NickJ.
Oh, yeah, that's right. I do have a code with them. I am so bad at that shit. I have an affiliate code with with Traders Post is just Nick J. And yeah, you're the only person who tells anyone about it. Wow.
Yeah, I was hoping
going to
that was
be.
going to be the bounce, but doesn't seem like it.
I don't know. It keeps looking like it's just keeps twiddling that that fair value gap and on the 5 minute.
Yeah, it's kind of scary.
It's going to be a range bound day today. We are below the opening range, so
Below opening range, below New York. So if we were going to recover, I think that was going to be the candle right there.
and not looking too sexy from over here.
Yeah.
And gold is still going down. So I was talking to somebody yesterday, and they got a message from a jeweler in Birmingham saying, "Oh, come in and sell your gold now. Prices are an all-time high."
Yeah.
What the? Are you insane? Yes, sell it at an all-time high.
Yeah.
Or no, I'm sorry. They said buy gold. Come in and buy some gold at the price is at an all-time high. Like, no, you don't buy at an all-time high. That is
That's when you
asinine.
should try to sell. And then
Come in,
wait to
buy
buy
gold.
later. Subscriptions are getting cheaper. The US dollar is dropping, says Johan. Nice.
Here. There's a lot of selling pressure on gold right now. Yeah, gold's a little bit dangerous at the moment. It's dropped almost 600 points since the overnight high.
Yeah.
Yeah, overnight high was 5,600 and 2670. It's now down at 5,062.
Damn.
I think a lot of people were taking profits, and the ones that weren't taking profits were getting out of long positions that they entered at the top. But you lose 500 points on gold and one big contract, and that's 50 grand gone in 8 hours.
Hey Tim, good morning.
Good morning,
Are you
Tim.
at work right now? Made some money pre-market, taking it easy this morning. All right, nice.
So looking at the midnight VWAP and the New York VWAP, we got a really big bearish channel sitting up above current price by 61 points.
Good
So
morning.
unless gold gets above 52.10,
Yeah.
I'm not taking any longs. So YM actually created.
Yeah.
What's that?
I took a little paper cut on YM long there. Now it's popping up in my favor on a second trade here.
So YM has created from that opening pop, has created a pretty bullish channel from midnight or between midnight and New York. If this channel reverses and New York VWAP manages to come down and cross over midnight,
yeah,
taking a short and just 1 micro and holding it all day.
It's pretty volatile right now. Morning, Dad. Flirting with my stop here again. In the money, but just need to get that 49,000.
You're in a trade right now?
I was, yeah. Got in a long trade there. Oh, no.
I'm going to share my screen with you for a second so I can show you something. It's on the right over here, the command pad.
It's behind your. Let me just change our layout here real quick so that we can put us on the left side. And then I'll be, because our pictures are right above it right now. So. Yeah, I see it.
All right, that's it. Simple as hell, right?
Buy, sell, and flatten all.
Buy, sell, flatten all. You attach it to your Trade account. Now, right now, price is not showing up right here where it's supposed to be.
Okay.
Set it to market order, limit order, stop market, stop limit, trailing stop, whatever you want. You have a trailing stop, stop, and a take profit.
Yeah.
This is a test one.
So if you were in a long position, and then how do you apply your stop? You have to change that little icon and
stop loss right here. 10 points. Or if you want to trail it.
Oh, so it'll put it in like a bracket order almost.
Yeah. So you can do a take profit of 50 points here. Stop loss of 10 points. You take 50 points on a one single micro.
Yeah.
For YM. I mean, that's not too bad. Change your quantity, and then if you want to lock it out, you can actually lock out your account for a specified amount of time. Which,
how do you have it on the side, like in that little edge of the window?
Right here.
Like,
Hold on, I can't see you, so
you're level 2, right? You got your sort of your time and sales bar thingy.
Yep.
What is that from? Is that from?
That's Tradebait. So the Traders Post command pad picks up price from Tradebait.
Yeah.
And pulls it over. It theoretically, it's supposed to pull it over to here. When you have it on market, it'll pull over the price, set it right here.
Yeah.
And then you can just buy, sell, and then flatten.
And then,
If you
but you
want
have
to-
trading view, and then you got trader. So are these all different tabs or something, or how does this?
No, this is all on one tab.
But that's trading view, right, on the left.
Trading view, Tradebait, which I don't trade off of. You only have the Tradebait open, so that way the Traders Post, the command pad,
Yeah.
can pick up price.
Mhm.
So it cannot, because of the way that TradingView writes out their contracts, you can't pull price from TradingView into a third party anything.
Gotcha.
Which it's they treat it like it's stealing data, which is ridiculous because we all pay for our data.
Yeah.
If you have a professional account, you're paying a lot of money every single month for your level 2 and level 3 data. And then on top of that, we're all using Bookmap as well.
Yeah.
And then the in brokerage that you pay for with every brokerage you use. So it's kind of ridiculous. YM's getting a little pop up here.
Yeah. So it's like I just don't understand how you have all 3 of those things open in the window.
So up here, you have extensions that you can use. So you can actually add a side panel by going into your extensions, and you can connect 2 separate things to one. To one tab. So right now I have 2 tabs open, one with TradingView, one with Tradevate, and the one that's attached to Tradevate, I have an extension for the Traders Post command pad directly attached to that.
Wow.
And as soon as I hear back from Mike, I will fix my issue with the price not pulling.
What browser?
This is Google Chrome. You can't do it on anything but Google Chrome right now.
Yeah, that's what I've been using, is Google Chrome.
Well, perfect. So you just basically have to go to your settings, extensions, and then up here where it says developer mode, you click on your developer mode, then you download the dash command. You have to download it, unzip it, do all that jazz, but then you just import your strategies and away you go. All right, YM's starting to look good for longs a little bit. CVD's up 365. Orders underneath are disappearing and orders up above are coming on.
Disconnected there. The browser asked me to update it. And then, so can you go over that again? So you go into your settings, right? You said settings, and then.
So settings.
Yeah.
Extensions.
Right.
And then developer mode.
Developer mode. Where did you see that? Sorry.
It's Can you see where I'm?
Okay, gotcha. Yeah, developer mode. And
Now, anything that you put into your extensions after you download and unzip them, you can, right up here where this Traders Post logo is,
yeah.
right next to it, it says extensions. And you can pin whatever you want there.
Okay. I'll definitely play around with that. That's pretty interesting. So why I'm kind of at the point of control now.
You got a POC up there?
Yeah.
What's the price?
That is 49,078.
All right, well, let's see if it bounces anymore.
Oh, that's what it is.
A little bounce off of New York. Keep going. Come on. Even with this pullback, I'm still liking longs a little bit better than shorts for the rest of the day, just based on the order flow.
Yeah. That was a nice, pretty strong couple candles there.
Sorry, my you still have my chart up. Yeah, my charts are kind of boring.
I mean, it's good. Looks nice and simple.
I don't have a whole hell of a lot on them, so. Yeah. That was a nice pullback that buyers took control of.
Yeah, that would have been a nice buy there. For sure.
It's not looking too bad on the 15. So if you're looking at YM right now, thinking longs, there are a bunch of orders that just came on underneath at 49,060. And it looks like they're algo orders. It's got the white line going halfway through it.
Okay. We got I guess that would be Wednesday's VWAP, 49,100, sort of rejected off that level. Reacted on that level, anyways.
Star says there's nasty price action on NQ today.
Yeah,
Wanted to play the 5-minute opening range break, but it's grinding on both sides. Yeah, it's a range bound day, so
not much expansion right now. And that pullback here again.
If anybody cares or wants to trade Take Profit Trader, their 40% off sale is ending today.
Ooh. "15 seconds here on this candle. Nice, get some lift at the end of the candle. 5-minute candle.
I wouldn't mind getting in on that, except I'm just going to be real conservative from here on out.
Another little reaction there right at the that VWAP. So we're stuck between previous day VWAP, and so that would be Thursday and Wednesday's VWAP. Wednesday's VWAP's at 49.54, and then, Thursday's VWAP is 49.54. Wednesday's 49.97. What is that one?
It's just a cash account.
Oh, okay. Different brokerage?
Yeah.
I was like, damn, that looks just like a green backdrop. Yeah, for an inside day, we might end up just pulling back down to the bottom of that green candle there.
So we're going to play this from top to bottom of opening range. Let's get... we have Austin's indicator up here.
Oh, that's that black line?
Yeah.
Oh, it shows the range.
Yeah, it shows your opening range, New York VWAP, and then it'll automatically anchor key levels. It's like if it makes a new high or low of day.
Yeah.
I like my midnight VWAP that Tom made.
So we bounced down to that Wednesday VWAP and found support there. So is that where those buyers, I think you said there were some buyers down at 60.
There were buyers all the way down to 49,040. They came off and then came back on again. But again, it is 60% of this, or I'm sorry, about 40% of this is algos.
Gotcha.
So somebody's trying to pull the price a little lower. It's doing on the hourly. I'm not liking this at all.
No, it's not. It's not giving me any signals to say. ES is actually looking the best out of them all right now. So we kind of have a bullish divergence right now. With ES made a higher high, whereas NQ made a lower high. And YM is similar to NQ. So usually that's signaling a reversal. So we might, if it plays out how that's supposed to sound anyways, it looks like it wants to go lower.
So for ES, I would not bet that it's going to go lower. All of the orders are above, and it is pretty damn dark underneath it.
Oh yeah, you definitely see that.
You got orders down at 69.75, but other than that, I mean, hell, I'd probably look at an entry point at 69.75 for ES today. There are 202 orders up at 7,000 right now.
Mm-hmm.
And they're not all algos.
NQ has orders all above also.
It's 288 orders at 69.9975 on ES.
Yeah, I see that.
And changes to the micros.
Well, they just moved them down a little bit there. It's below 70, 73. Yeah, volatility's crazy. I took a pretty large loss last night on gold. Well, a couple losses on gold, just from the volatility, and I was only in with a couple micros. It's crazy.
Yeah, I think I'm done for the day. I got no business being really in anything right now.
Yeah.
Yes, can't pick a direction. YM is range bound. What's NQ doing?
Similar sort of range bound.
NQ is just bouncing around on the book map right now.
Yeah.
Oh. For some reason,
3,000 yesterday from gold. Wow.
Nice. Good job, Johan.
Got in the right direction, obviously.
For some reason, my MNQ was showing all the volume balls. It reset back to 1.
Okay.
It just made me a little nervous when I saw it. I was like, what the hell's going on? Can't be that many orders coming through right now.
Savage orders.
US NEC Director Hassett Q&A repeats, can have high growth without high inflation. Now have positive supply shock. Okay. Oh, did it in the Asia session, not in London? That's even more impressive.
Very nice, yeah.
Yeah, then I closed everything. I am learning to become more disciplined.
Yeah, good job.
That's why you're going to make money. Act like an adult. Oh, that's the other t-shirt that we need to make. Oh, I did get an account with the t-shirt company that Tanner uses.
Yeah. Nice.
So you let me know when you want to start doing it, and I'll...
For sure. It is hard though. Hey, Johan, yeah, it is hard too. I don't know if I'm up $3,000 or a large chunk like that, it's pretty easy for me to walk away. It's when I'm down, it's when it's hard to walk away.
Oh,
one more little trade, I'll just get, $50 back, and then, ends up another loser. It's like, Johan wants t-shirts.
So I think we said we're going to do the be a bull, be a bear, don't be a pig.
Yeah.
Act like an adult.
Act like an adult.
Make better choices.
Owner candle.
That's all you and Randy, brother. I'm not touching your boner candle. That sounded way worse than it was supposed to.
I'm gonna have to get these extensions working. So yeah, I'm a little confused though. Like, so you said after you download the extension? Oh yeah, Split View makes it easier to multitask. Show me how. Right click on this tab, select Split View with current tab. Okay, maybe that's what it is.
No, Split View is just your you've got two separate tabs. It's you've got two different tabs open in the same.
Isn't that what you have there though? To have so one of those is an extension, or are they all split tabs?
One of them is an extension, and then I have Trading View and Trade-Evade in split tab.
So the Trader's Post is a extension.
Yeah, so here, let me pull up my... So no matter what I go to, this extension will always be there.
So show me that extension again then. You and Trader's Post, you went...
So if you have... Say you're in Trader's Post there.
Yeah.
You want to switch back over. No matter what you go into, you can go into davelikesfeet.com, and as long as this is active, it'll show up on the side of that as well.
Okay,
it's not going to pick up. It's not going to pick up price from your weird foot fetish website, but.
And you have to activate that extension from Trader's Post?
Yeah, you have to get the download from Trader's Post, install it, unzip it, load it into your extensions, and then run it on your extensions as a always in the background.
Is that something that he would have to send you because it's beta right now? Gotcha.
Yeah, it's not on there. When I heard about their command pad,
yeah,
I went directly into my account and was like, "Where is this? I need it now." Yeah, it's not in there.
Gotcha.
Yeah, this is a little bit of a lift here, but there's still orders down at 69.65 and.
Yeah, the only problem is YM is back down at the lows.
All right. Well, I'm gonna give it 10 more minutes, see if anything happens, and I'm gonna go and.
Yeah, sounds good to me. Yeah, I'm moving today, so I got a bunch of stuff to do. That should be. We could probably make a shirt about tariffs. Eh? There's got to be something you can say about tariffs that would be a good shirt.
Feel like getting plugged by a guy in a red hat, though.
Yeah. So Clay's on Profit Match right now.
Oh yeah.
And they're just talking about how Luna locked in a $2,500 payout. I wonder if every time he hears something like that, his stomach sinks. Like, he lost a trade. He's like, oh shit, $2,500. I gotta pay out.
Trust me, they are not hurting for money.
Yeah.
Those companies that that do the funding, even the instant funded accounts. If you think about it,
Yeah.
less than 5% of people ever take anything out of the market. It's less than 5%. How many people do you think are taking payouts from prop firms?
Yeah, no, very much.
You are the average person that's just sitting there clicking away on your computer, pressing buttons just because you see a green candle turn red or a red candle turn green or whatever. You're not making money. You're just dumping money into accounts, blowing them, and starting fresh at the beginning of every week.
Yeah. So increase is in the chat here. He says, "Why are you holding that man hostage?" Is that Tony Rago, the Timu Tony? I think he's talking about you. Because you're like relaxing, sit back, like I'm not taking any trades. It's like you're like we're holding you hostage on the stream.
No, I'm sitting here waiting.
Yeah, just be
I'm
impatient.
just watching the candles in the book map, waiting for orders to show up that I can jump on.
This is Nick sitting on his hands position.
Yep.
Leaning back and arms around. I am talking about him. He looks like other epic Tony Rago from the Theo. Like legit, this guy looks like Tony Rago.
Fuck is Tony Rago?
I'm not sure who that is, but I'm gonna search him right now. I've got to see this. Tony Rago images. Oh, he does kind of look like you. Right here. Oh, the picture went. Oh, there he goes. Yeah, he does kind of look like you, man. He really does.
I have to look that up eventually.
He's got a mustache and everything, and like a little bit of white hair. Over and
A little bit of white hair. I got all the white hair.
He's just not wearing glasses, though. That's the only difference. So there you go. Tony Rago in the house. MNQ Futures. Very nice. Good call. Increase the odds. Oh, he wears glasses too? Okay. Nice.
I'm gonna have to look this asshole up.
Yeah. Yeah, he really does look pretty similar.
My cousin. Fuck is wrong with you?
Yeah, he looks like a cousin, hey? Who's Tony Rago? He's an NQ trader, looks like.
Yeah, skinny guy, short gray hair. Yeah, I get it. Not happy about it. Oh, shit, where'd my book map go? There it is.
So we found some support on YM there at with the 200 EMA. It's kind of been fighting with it here. Just a few minutes ago, 3 minutes ago, opening range was set, or opening balance. Sorry, I should say. First 1 hour. I don't know. I guess he's kind of a guru. Kind of looking at maybe taking a short if we can sort of start breaking down below 944. What is the book map saying for YM?
You looking at micros or minis?
Micros.
So micros, we got orders up at 49,000, just under 49,000, 48,990, 48,985 just disappeared, and it looks like it's bouncing up. Still have orders down at 48,945 too.
Gotcha.
And there's a lot of algos on there right now. At orders at 925.
Which is right at that fair value gap.
And it should just be popping on and off here.
Yeah, its price is popping up a little bit. Yeah, he's a trader guru, furu, whatever, but he takes live also. What's the difference between furu and guru? Anyways.
I would think maybe a furu is like a fake guru.
Okay.
Like what's that asshole's name? Ross something or other.
Ross Cameron?
Douche guy.
Douche guy.
That fucking douche guy. Watch, he's gonna sue me for defamation. He'll fail though, because I
bounces. All three indices just popping up right now.
He's gonna sue me for slander or something, and he'll fail though, because I can prove he's a douche with an Etch-a-Sketch and a fucking Crayola crayon.
Oh, guru is anyone who isn't trying to sell shit, but is.
Oh,
but
all
a
right.
guru is a salesman, could be skilled, but still sucking wallets.
You call dumb shits like me and Dave, who aren't doing either.
Yeah, we're just Trader Joe's. Honestly, don't even need a crayon, man. Just to Etch-a-Sketch. I think you can prove that.
I want to grab him by that fruity little ponytail of his and just spin him around like a rag doll.
Well, bounced up, rejected. All of them sort of rejected on a bearish fair value gap and the New York VWAP.
You know what? I'm going to grab a coffee. Keep everybody safe. This price action's looking stupid. Yeah, ES is range bound too.
Yeah.
And we're right in the middle of the opening range.
All three looking the same. Increase odds said dumb shits like you and Dave, people who trade, the homies. The homies.
There you go.
I like that. I can handle that.
I can get down with that. That's cool.
I am Thao. Good morning. Are you in any trades? Taking any trades? Today's price action isn't the best. Kind of stuck in a range.
I've said it before. I'll probably say it again. This is the most boring stream you're ever going to watch. It's just two old guys trying to make money. And that reminds me, now is a perfect time for a message from our sponsor. Depends. Have you ever been stuck in an NQ trade and it was going in your direction, but you really had to take a leak? Now, you don't have to worry about that anymore. Just use Old People Huggies.
I like it. I like it.
40% off with code Dave Wets Himself.
You know, I saw I got an ad on YouTube or something. Maybe it was TikTok, but it was like this like bath like car urinal. It's basically like an extendable tube that you can use to pee in if you're stuck in traffic.
Great for road trips.
So when you told me about that, when you said that commercial, I was thinking of, oh yeah, I guess you could always get one of those things too, and just like sit in your desk and relieve yourself.
Yeah, but if you're doing that on a live stream, people are gonna wonder what the hell you're doing, and you're all like, "Oh, just hold on."
Yeah, looking down and stuff like.
What happens when you overfill it?
Well, it extends. It's pretty big. It's like you can like stretch it out like.
Are you talking about the device? I
Yeah.
hope. All right, we're going off the rails here.
Yeah. Why is he shaking the desk?
Yeah. All right, I'll be back.
Okay. Projected off the New York view up on this little bounce here. You butcher for real. What is that? I've only been in the stream once before this PM session, but is that family or yeah, just it's actually Butcher is my nickname. It was given to me from back when I was doing kickboxing. My kickboxing coach named me the Butcher because I was everybody out. Yeah, and then it just kind of most of my friends call me Butcher and just kind of carried over. And then I was like thinking about how to build a sort of a channel, whatever. So that's Nick. He's just a friend, and he's not much older than me. So I'm 46, by the way. I think Nick's only a couple years older than me, not by much. But we just met through trading, and just kind of our personalities matched up, and we've just been trading now for almost 3-4 months, like every day. Yeah, now I'm the Bayview Butcher, Dexter, right? Yeah, I know. I look younger than I am. How old are you, Nick, right now?
Never asked a lady about her age. No, I'm 50.
Okay, so because he's like the older gentleman, I'm like, well, he's not really much older than me.
Yeah,
so
I'm not by much.
Really say that. 4 years isn't very much. I just have that youthful look. Most of my hair hasn't turned gray yet.
Dave, you're number one.
Yeah, thank you. Right?
Yeah, shit. I've had gray hair since I was like 5 years old.
Oh, really? Yeah.
Yeah. Just over the past few years, stuff started falling out.
Keith, good morning. No trades today. Okay. He's
Not a
been
bad
killing it
choice,
in
Keith.
his 150K account. He's getting close to passing that now. Past his 50K. So he's been trading only metals, I think, also. So that's pretty good.
Trading only metals?
Yeah.
Yeah, I know why he didn't trade today.
Some savage volatility.
It's been brutal. Let's take a look at gold here.
I'm what is Nick right about?
What am I right about?
I don't know. She said, haha,
Not
Nick is
much
right.
ever. Increase the odds. Yeah, today's price action is hot garbage at best. Honestly, I'm just sitting here keeping Dave company at this point because I'm not seeing anything even remotely good right now.
Yeah, it's not looking that great. That's for sure. It's kind of range bound. Although usually this happens before we like get a pop in a direction. But it's basically a coin flip to know what direction we're going to go in today. So
Yeah, I'm not. Like I said, I'm up for the day, so I'm not planning on risking half my profits just on the off chance that something good will happen. And I'm not trading the kill zone on a Friday.
the kill zone, and that's a exact same.
On a Wednesday, maybe.
All right, Johan, you have a good day and a good weekend.
Johan, enjoy it. Get some rest. Oh, increase the odds, please. Crazy is what we do best. Usually off the stream, but Dave is a madman. The stories I've heard about him from Randy, whew.
Thanks for letting me come in here. I like the hurricane and being all crazy. I appreciate you guys putting up with my little abuse. Oh, it's all good. Yeah, it's enjoyable.
I'm not sensitive. You can abuse me all you want to.
That's what I said too. When he first was the other stream, he made some joke, and I was like, I'm not offended at all either. It's just something to talk about, so it's good. Appreciate when the chat gets involved.
It's just ball busting. That's all it is.
Yeah.
If you're so sensitive you can't handle that, don't do a live stream.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah. Yeah. Then he hung out in the stream for a while, and then later on he's like, "Sorry about that comment early on." I was like, "Oh yeah, I wasn't offended at all. I actually enjoyed it." So.
Don't get mean or, don't make racist or sexist comments, and we're pretty good here.
Yeah.
I mean, that's really about it.
Yeah, I can't really remember what you said either, but it wasn't offensive to me anyways. MNQ's looking a little bullish. Why I'm starting to pull back here a bit again. So we're kind of just like, yeah, not doing too much.
Not sexy. Gold's still range bound now after that overnight pullback, that 500-point drop. Hey, come in and buy gold.
Yeah.
It's at all-time highs.
Now's the time to load up. Hey, Darren, good morning. How we doing?
All right, ES just went above the opening range high.
Darren's been busy, only got to the desk now. Wow.
You didn't miss much, man. It's
Sideways.
hasn't been great.
So I did draw a little trend line here off of these candles. We've kind of broke out and closed above it, and then now we're pulling back in. So,
What's that on?
That was a YM chart here. Just kind of a bit of a bull flag forming, broke out. So if we could end up holding some area here and then start heading back up above point of control again, that could be definitely a potential long towards value area high.
I wouldn't be jumping into an ES trade right now, but it's looking at the orders on the book. Looks like it might get a little bit of a pop up towards the 7,000s.
Mm-hmm. Opening 1 minute on MNQ was like 15K contracts for the amount of volume transacted. It feels like it ain't doing shit. Yeah, there's a huge volume on the opening candle, that's for sure.
What do you say, 15,000?
Yeah, 15K contracts in 1 minute. Let me see here.
Micros?
Must be.
That's somebody pulling price. You know if they were
almost 16K contracts actually.
Just check the book map? Or did you just look at the volume on your chart?
Yeah, just the volume on my chart. I went to the 1 minute and then checked that out. So, wow, yeah, that's pretty savage.
Curious to know whether or not that was algos trying to pull price to a level.
Well, if you look at the this 1035 candle, yeah, 1035 candle, that was also almost 16,000 contracts also. So we had two huge green volume candles today. Two $16,000 contract trades or candles. Pretty savage.
Yes, just can't seem to stay above that opening range high.
Yeah.
Even with all these orders.
Yeah, there's a lot of orders above, a couple hundred on multiple levels, and then 350 up there at 7,000. That was an intern hitting buy market. Yeah. Just rocket.
Whoops. Trading full lots, buy market. Yeah, I got 100 lots at market.
Yeah, so I'm hopefully you let me know as soon as that pad gets launched, or see if you can get me a beta.
I'm actually I'm gonna send Mike when we're done streaming on the Discord, send me your email address so I can give it to Mike, just so that way he has your contact as well.
Yes,
but I would like I don't know if you've ever watched those guys on the live stream.
Yeah, a couple times. Mostly when you're over there, I'm watching them.
Definitely a good group of people.
Yeah,
I always feel like a big dummy when I'm on the stream with them. They're talking about all this technical whatnot. I'm just going, I look at candles and VWAP, and that's it.
Make a green trade.
It's in a trend going up over VWAP. I am long.
There's Trevor. Hey, Trevor. How you doing? I heard they were talking about you. I saw a couple clips on Randy saying that like you're one of the only traders that he's ever really known that under trades. So good for you, man. That's actually a feat.
That's nice.
That's like Evan Dyer patience. Dyer, sorry, not Dryer.
The Buddhist monk of day trading.
Yeah.
So I did take a trade just now.
Oh, you did? Nice.
Yeah, I went in on a gold short.
Gold.
Gold short.
Okay.
I'm up
Wow.
$350 right now, so down below VWAP in a downtrend. I got no regrets about this one.
Yeah.
I got my stop loss set at positive $85. It's only 2 micros, so
Nice. Double-edged sword, hey? Nice job, Tony. That's your new nickname.
hey, thanks.
Hey, Tony Montana.
Yeah, but usually when I say hello to my little friend, I'm holding a cat. Hello to my little friend.
Do you have cats?
No. I used to.
Yeah. So when are you heading back down south?
A little while.
No date planned yet, but in a
No,
little
yet.
while.
Not yet.
Gotcha.
Close this.
What I look like when I try to explain trading to people? A monkey? Is that a monkey? It looks kind of like a little pink monkey with a pistol in his hand.
Wow. I'm right there with you.
Oh, it's a hammer. Okay.
Yeah, I dig it.
Gold's bouncing a little bit there.
Glad I got out of that trade. I took my $104 or $105 and I don't think gold's going to be bouncing for very long, though.
Yeah.
Honestly, if it gets above if it gets above 5,200, I'd be surprised within the next 10, 15 minutes. Watch, I say that, and it's going to rip up 40 points.
Right?
There are 100 orders sitting at 50, 80, 110. And they just disappeared. Did I just hear a zipper? Are you using your portable urinal?
The zipper's pretty loud, eh?
I don't have you on the screen, and I'm afraid to pull it up right now.
Don't worry, that's not my pants zipper.
Thank God for small miracles.
Well, ESNQ, everything's just And back to the low. We're kind of just breaking out of the opening range on YM actually, or orb low. Is that orb 7? Sort of at 938 is opening range low, or orb low, opening balance low. But we have this bullish fair value gap at 48,921, which is could be the resistance in the way if we invert that though. Maybe the shorts are in play. Did you hear that noise too?
I don't know what you're doing over there, but
That was a dryer just ended.
oh, okay. I hear zippers and vibrating. I don't know what kind of stream are you running here, Dave?
Hot PPI justifies Fed pause. Chicago PMI expands for the first time over 2 years. Huh. I sent you my phone number there in Discord also.
Perfect.
Figure we've been chatting long enough. We should probably have each other's contact information.
Yeah, I mean, shit, it's been a year. I mean, our Bucci's got my number, for Christ's sake. Come on.
I'm
I don't see
slow to
his
ask.
ugly mug every day.
Yeah, he was asking. He was like saying, "I wonder how Nick's been doing." I'm like, "Oh yeah, he's good. He's making lots of money on stream every day.
Not every day.
Well, most days, anyways."
Today I did. Today was a good day. So we do have a support level on YM micros, 48, 781, 20. But that's a level 1 support.
Oh yeah, it's a bit down there, hey.
It's another support level at 48,388.60, and a level 3 support at 48,058.10.
What do you mean by level? Like, how do you levels?
They're they're the traditional support and resistance levels.
I'm just gonna add your screen there. It looks like you're showing it, kind of. Okay, I see that. Yeah. So is that an indicator that you have?
Yeah.
Nice.
Pull it up every once in a while to just look at where levels of support are.
Yeah.
Yeah, if it gets down to a support level 5, just going to jump out a window.
Yeah. We did create a bunch of equal highs on NQ, so I mean, in theory, that would be a really good target for like a long trade. But where do you get the entry? I mean, you're gonna have to have some sort of signal to get that sort of entry.
NQ's still farting around in the middle of the opening range, though.
Yeah.
It's been over VWAP, under VWAP, toying with VWAP, and just the whole time just bouncing between opening range high and low. So if you're comfortable trading the opening range, you're doing great today.
Yeah, right. Hey.
I'm just not feeling it.
Because as soon as I take an opening range short or a buy at the extremes, that's when it's gonna break out.
Yeah. That's why you should always have a stop loss. So
Oh,
I
yeah. Yeah.
started reading Brian Shannon's VWAP book again.
Okay. Yeah, I should actually get that on Audible and listen to that one.
Do it. Honestly, it's Best Loser Wins, Brian Shannon's VWAP. Those are two must reads. Those are also two of the reasons why my charts look like this.
What is the name of the book?
Best Loser Wins. Oh, wait, Brian Shannon's? Hold on.
Yeah. Because I can't find Brian Shannon or VWAP. They might not have it on Audible.
I have it on my Kindle. Library. VWAP Wave System is the one I'm reading now.
Yeah, they don't seem to have it on Audible, it looks like. So it's.
Do you have a Kindle?
I don't know.
Then go to your local bookstore or just order it and have it sent to you.
Yeah. So NQ is just sitting on previous day VWAP. ES is sitting on the overnight VWAP. YM, what do I see here? YM. We're just far from all the VWAPs. We're below everything on YM. I read SMB Capital's One Good Trade, but I wouldn't recommend it for education. It was more like a feel-good character development of their trades who primarily do stocks. Yeah.
So, NQ's bouncing.
Oh, wow. Yeah, quite a bounce there.
I don't even have my chart up. I'm just looking at the book.
Yeah. NVIDIA popping a bit.
If NVIDIA's popping, NQ is going to follow it. It's weird how one stock can make the entire market.
Well, it looks like they all put in a pretty green candle there, all the tech companies.
All right, so what happened in the news where all the tech companies went up? Some
looks like
bullshit.
I'm disconnected from financial juice. Maybe there's an earnings or something. Possible. It is kind of earnings season. Financial juice is real slow right now. NQ pulling back a little bit, or though, sorry, that's NVIDIA's pulling back. I didn't switch it back yet. NQ. Yeah, NQ kind of reversed.
NQ's following it.
Yeah.
Glad I didn't go long on that.
Yeah. No chance to really do anything there. Yeah, there's really no edge at the moment for seeing what direction, what's going to happen here. I'm not sure if they still offer it, but Trade Day, if you are part of their evals, offer a free access to Squawk Box. They read impactful news events and stuff. Kind of cool. Nice. Yeah, I use a Squawk Box on financial news.
I actually think I have Trade Day accounts. Hold on. Oh, look at that. I do. 3 of them. That's ridiculous. I can't even keep track of I can't even keep in my head how many prop firms I have.
So many. Well, I got in a short on YM with 1 mini in my 5 take profit trader account there. We're breaking the lows. I'm in profit now, about $100. Trailed it in there already. Hopefully we don't bounce here.
Is that on YM?
Yeah. It would be a small winner if it bounces up anymore here. I'm hoping for some continuation though. Don't just bounce. Getting close to my stop here.
It's got orders coming up underneath it right now, so nice. Looks like it's going to drop a little bit.
There we go. Getting a little more momentum here. Up on 80 now. Up 200.
The orders at 795 that just came up. 800.
Beautiful. Loving it. Trailing pretty aggressive now. Down at 825. Might get stopped here. Yep.
Oh, yeah.
Beautiful. 200.
Nice trade.
200 something there. In 5 accounts. Very nice.
That's a nice.
All right. Well, I think I'm not going to take any more trades now.
All right. So I think it should be about time to cut this shit out. I've been done for an hour. You're done now. And if you take another trade today, I will come to Vancouver and spank you like your daddy should have.
Yeah, I really shouldn't, because that was been waiting for a while for an opportunity to take a trade, and finally had a breakdown of this channel that I had drawn there. Let's go back to the MYM here. So I had this channel drawn, if you can see my chart here. And as we started breaking down below it, I entered short, what was it here? 865. So as it started moving nicely out of there, took a short. So yeah, probably going to keep going, to be honest. But I went pretty heavy there. 1 mini in 5 accounts.
You just made $1,000 in 40 seconds.
Yeah.
So call it a day. Turn off your computer and go touch some grass or snow, I guess.
Yeah, everybody in the chat, make sure you show up Sunday evening. Gonna do the Sunday night usual stream. I'm sure Nick will be heckling from the background. So
yeah. You don't want to see my ugly mug on a Sunday night. That'll just wreck your whole church experience.
I mean, you're more than welcome to come if you want to hang out. But yeah.
Yeah, Sunday night's your thing. I'll occasionally pop in with you, but no.
Yeah.
I don't need to be trading on a Sunday night and losing my ass.
Yeah. Sometimes it's not the best price action there.
I'm just not good at it. That's why I don't do it. If I was decent at trading the Sunday Asia and London sessions, I would totally do it. But every time I trade Sunday Asia or London, I just get hurt.
Damn. Yep.
So I stopped doing it. All right, everybody. Have a great weekend. Remember to pick up your Big People Huggies for Monday's trading session. We'll see you later.
Sounds good, Nick. See ya.
See you later.
So here's the trade, guys, that I took. I thought I had it connected, but I was actually on the micros. Normally this trading view chart would show the trade, but I had it on micros, not on YM. So it's an MYM there. But here's basically the trade. At the bottom of this channel here, we started breaking out, took the short, and then trailed it pretty aggressively down here at the 829 area and out. So we're up 281 between. I took about 3 trades in these accounts today, so not bad. Times five copy traded accounts there. So nice way to end the day, anyways. But yeah, thanks everybody. Trevor, see you later. Keith, increase the odds. Darren, Johan was here earlier. I think she might have taken off. I am Thao, and who else was here? Did my dad show up this morning? I don't know. He might be sleeping still. Zara was here earlier. Nina was here also, and Luke. Can't forget Luke. He's our local, what's it called? Options trader. Geez, that took me a long time to come up with that word. Anyways, guys, thanks so much. Have a good day. We'll be back on Sunday night, 6 or 7 p.m. East Coast, 6 or 7 p.m. East Coast time for the evening stream. Look forward to seeing you guys then. And yeah, stay green. Have a great weekend, and we'll see you guys later. Peace out.